Vlogmas Day 2.
Today is Panglao Day.
And our first stop at dapat hindi nyo mamiss to, South Farm, Panglao. 390 pesos ang entrance, but yung 100 pesos doon is consumable sa loob. Ito ang pinakamahal naming kain, but I promise you it was so worth it. Kasi per kilo na mahuhuli mo is 300 pesos. 500 pesos naman yung kada kilo pag ipapaluto. Maraming choices. And I thought this would be the best time also to again celebrate Edina's birthday. Right after that, umikot-ikot na kami sa buong farm and we found this kitty barn. May coffee sa loob, air condition, so dito talaga kami nagstay ng matagal. Maraming stations ng farm animals dito. Free range din karamihan sa kanila, like makakasalubong ka ng sheep. Pero syempre, hindi din nagtatapos ang Panglao Day natin. Next stop is Panglao Cartways. 580 pesos to for 3 laps. And if you wanna add an extra lap, that would be 100 pesos. Syempre, hindi kumpleto ang Bohol trip mo kung hindi ka pupunta sa Alona When Beach. We went to Alona, we only had one rule. Walang bibilhin. We just went there to enjoy yung swimming. We watched the sunset with the family. And I can't think of any better way to end this trip than spending with the most important people in my life right now. Side note, namimiss ko si Pipa, si Anying, si Baby J, and si Coach Potato. Pero I'm pretty sure na babalik kami dito dahil meron talaga pong competition na nangyari sa ATV. But ladies and gentlemen, this is sunset in Panglao, Bohol. Sobrang ganda. Sobrang payapa. Hindi mo kailangan gumastos ng malaki. Speaking of hindi kailangan gumastos ng malaki. For every trip, we have to end it with family dinner. And this time, we had it at Bohol Pearls in Tagbilaran. Less than 400 pesos, only pork Plus factor na rin na it's right in front of Travel, which is where we stayed for the whole trip. That's it for this vlog. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!